Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record a screen in Windows 10 without downloading any programs by using the Xbox Game Bar on Windows 10. To open the program, you can either go to the search box and type Game Bar. Here, you should see the Xbox Game Bar here. Click on this and it will open up. You can also open it in another way by pressing the Windows key and G button on keyboard. Now we can record video and audio in program or game, but you can record the desktop. From here you can take a screenshot. I could also record the last 30 seconds of a game. We can also click this button to start recording the game, or use the Windows key and Alt R button shortcut. Now we test the Xbox Game Bar. We can see the record progress on the right. To stop it, click the stop button. Let's take a look of settings. From here you can edit some of these things. You can change the shortcuts and set your shortcuts and some other settings that you can use according to your needs. You can, in the personalization section, set a dark theme or set a light theme. The capturing section, you can specify the sounds you need to record here. You can record game sound and mic, or you can record all sounds, game, enable mic, apps and system, or you can disable the all sounds recording and it will not record any sounds. You can adjust the audio here and make sound better. Xbox Game Bar will record games and your browser activity properly if you have the right settings. Another thing, if you want to record your browser activity, open the program and click the record button. You can then record your browser activity. It does not show the window that open. It will just record your browser activity. There's also another option for recording video, the program called OBS Studio. This program is totally free, easy to use. It records everything and has a lot of settings and more details. I put the link tutorial in the description. But if you want to record something fast, the Game Bar is a good choice. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.